Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you the simple, easy, fast way to create a nice professional website for a hairstylist using Mighty Sites. So this is a small business website builder. So all I need to do is start my free trial, go here. It's only $9 a month. So it's super cheap and affordable to have that nice professional online business card, your website for a hairstylist. So I'm just going to search for hairstylist to select the template for that. Then the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put in my name. So Keegan, and I'll just put Keegan Hair Style Design. And then I'm just going to put in the city. So I'm in Denver, Colorado. And then type of business, this is a service business, and click continue. Now the beauty of this system is that it simply and easily presents a simple professional website template automatically generated for you with text, images, contact forms, all of the hard work of really designing a website. That's all taken out of the picture for you, so you can just simply edit it and launch your simple professional website. Now, the first thing I may want to do is change colors. So it's really easy to just go in and select through all the different color themes and find one that you prefer for your business. So you can see each of these color themes really gives a different personality and look to the website. So what I suggest is, go through the colors, find one that works with your logo, with your brand, with the image you're trying to go for, and just pick one that really makes sense for your business. And it really can have a big impact on the overall look of the site. So there's a few that, I'm going to look through here and just see what I think, how they look. A few different ones I really like. Let's just check out this blue theme. That looks pretty sharp. So again, that could be the look you're going for. If you like that one, go with that. Let me look at a couple others. Really like kind of these gold themes too. That looks pretty nice. And again, there are tons of different themes here. So you just pick the one, that you feel like best represents your business and your brand. So I'm going to go with this one for now because I really like kind of the look of that. I think that looks pretty sharp, but again, you find the color theme that you think makes the most sense for your business, that gives you the look that you feel happy and comfortable with. And there are all types of different template options per theme. So pick the one that you like best and get started. So once I have that, now it's time to edit the site. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to the top and update section. Now, as a hairstylist, I want people to be able to reach me easily. So I'm probably going to add my email address here and select to show that on the website. The next thing I'm going to do is add my phone number. And once I have my phone number in, I'm going to save that. Now my phone number and my email are there. I'm just going to refresh this real quick because we're changing the colors to get the icons to show in a more prominent way. So now I've got my phone number, my email. That looks nice. Probably makes sense to add your social media sites too so people can get to know you. So I'm going to add my Instagram account. And let's just say I want to add my Facebook page too. So you can just copy and paste those, but I'm going to just type them in for ease right now. So now you can see the header section starting to come together. If you do have a specific location you work out of as a hairstylist that you want to share, you can put that in here. But if not, you can just put your city and state too, and that works just fine. And then you can go over here to update section. And if you want to add menu items, so you want to add more to your navigation, you simply just add menu items here, and you can select those to link to a PDF. If you want to upload rates or information, you can have those linked to Call You. They can link to other places on your website, or they can link to a different website altogether too. So again, it just depends on what you prefer. But this website builder is super easy, as you can see. And a professional website starting to come together for only $9 a month, which is pretty amazing. So I would also suggest uploading a logo. If you don't have a logo, no problem. You can just leave it as your name. If you are interested in putting together a logo really quick, I would say go to canva.com, and there you can create a logo really easily. So I'm just going to go to Canva. It's really cheap and easy. I'm just going to select logo, and then I'm just going to search for hairstyle. And you can see there are all these logos for hairstylists that are pre-made for your business. So you can just select the one that you prefer. I'm going to go with this one right here. I think that looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to call this Hair Stylist Logo Keegan. And then I'm going to download it. And I'm going to download it as a JPEG. That's better for the web. And so now I just saved myself all that energy of designing a logo. And I've got one that looks pretty cool. I'm going to upload this right here. So Really simple and easy to upload images. And now as soon as it's uploaded, I'm going to click save. And I can see, okay, it looks like it's a little small. Two buttons appear, make it bigger button or the make it smaller button. I'm going to click on make it bigger. That works, but I think there's a little too much space around the image. So what I'm going to do is click on this little pencil here, and that's going to bring up all these image editing tools. So I can filter it, fine tune it, decorate it, frame it. These are all built in for any image you upload to the system. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of crop this a little bit here. Okay, so once I got that cropped down, I think that looks good. So I'm going to click done, and it's uploading the new version, save the logo, and you can see, okay, now it's a little bigger there. It got rid of some of that space around it. So let me close this. I think that looks pretty sharp now. I like that logo. And as you can see, the header of my website is coming together. So I can click on stop editing at any point, and I can just see what it looks like without those update section buttons. And I think the website's starting to come together pretty sharp already, and I've only had to do a couple of things. So now let me go back to editing mode. So I just click on activate editing mode, and I'm going to go down here, full service hair salon. That may or may not make sense for you or how you're using this template. So it could be your salon, but you could be, just wanting people to find you specifically as a hairstylist online. You could be working out of your home too, and be a single person doing hairstylist work directly from your home. It just depends on what your business model is. So that's why these are just easily customizable. So if, let's say, instead of a full service salon, you're just like you want to say professional hairstylist, right? That's how you want to market it. You can just type that in. You can edit this subtitle too. So if you like what it says by default, that's awesome. If you want to change it to just anything else that you can, maybe you just want to say like, 15 years of experience at your service, right? It just depends on what message you want to say about your business, and then schedule your hair appointment. So this by default, we usually have this just link to the lead form section. So I'll show you that. So I can save it and close. And now if someone comes and views this, they click on this, it'll bring them right here. And this will submit them as a new inquiry to your business. You'll get an email saying a new person sent this on the site, and then you'll actually be able to access, and I'll show you that in a minute, you'll be able to access all your leads through your website for services. But if you're actually using like online booking too, which is great, let me just show you Calendly. If you don't have online booking right now, Calendly is free. It has a free version. You can link it to your calendar and set up available appointment slots for yourself and let people go on and book appointments themselves right through Canva. So that's a really great solution for hairstylists. So I'm going to go to update section. And let's just say I want people to be able to do that. I'm going to go to link to another website, paste in my personal Calendly link, close it. And now if I save this, click on schedule your hair appointment, now people can just go right there and schedule their appointment with my business. So again, super easy to use. You should leverage tools like Canva or Calendly just to kind of use those enhancements. You don't have to pay for expensive software. You can just use things like that. Or again, you can just have this link to call you to, if you'd prefer that. You can have it just link to call you, link to email you, link to your lead form too. So it can be whatever you want it to be. For this, it's always nice you can include a testimonial or a quote. But again, it's really easy to update this. So the contact, let's just have that link to call me. There we go. Confirm that, save it. Now if someone clicks on that on a smartphone, it'll call me automatically. You can also have it email you or go to directions, whatever works best. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to type in, this is how you make a website for a hair stylist. So you can see I just point and click exactly what I want it to say, easily edit it. If I want to go to any of these sections and upload a new photo, I just browse my computer, type to edit any of the text. Really easy to do. So now I'll go down here and show you if somebody wants to schedule an appointment, they can type in their name and contact information. Put in a phone number. And then my message, I am interested in finding a new hairstylist. Okay, so then I'm just going to send that, and then it'll say a nice little thank you, your message has been sent. and then I can just return back here to stop editing. So here's what my website is looking like. It's pretty well done in just a few minutes. I have a simple professional website for my hairstylist business. And I can go back here to activate editing mode if I want, or I can click on stop editing, site dashboard. And from here, you see it says one new lead. So this will show my information. I will get an email letting me know I have a new lead for my services, and then their information will be in there. And then once you're ready, connect your domain. There are simple instructions, help you walk through the process of connecting your domain to your website. As soon as that's up and running and your domain's connected, you're good to go. You've launched your website. It's only $9 a month, and now you have a simple professional website for your hairstylist business that you can use as your online business card to attract new customers and grow your business. So hope that helps. Best of luck with your hairstylist business and your new website.